In front of me is Black Shark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, find an app called Files that's already on your tablet and launch it. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up, and when you're ready, select those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit Clean. Select Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was scanned for cleaning. If you have any junk files, your will be successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!